In the heart of Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala, lies a temple shrouded in an aura of mystery and great wealth. The Padmanabhaswamy Temple. Renowned as one of the richest temples in the world, it has captivated the imaginations of millions. But what makes this temple so enigmatic? Join us on a thrilling journey through tales of hidden treasures, ancient curses, and supernatural guardians as we unravel the mysteries of the Padmanabhaswamy Temple. But before we dive deep into this captivating narrative, be sure to subscribe to our channel, Infogatha, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all our fascinating stories. The temple's architectural splendor, the Padmanabhaswamy Temple, is not only an architectural wonder, fusing Kerala and Dravidian styles, but it also serves as a monument to the rich cultural heritage of India. Featuring towering gopurams and intricate carvings depicting scenes from Hindu mythology, the temple is a splendid sight. While its exterior showcases traditional craftsmanship, whispers echo about what lies beneath, the vaults that hold treasures valued at a staggering $22 billion. Discovering the vaults in 2011, the Supreme Court of India ordered the vaults of Padmanabhaswamy Temple to be opened, anticipating a treasure trove long concealed from the world's eyes. What the team found within its chambers shocked everyone. Gold coins, statues, and precious jewels that had been stored for centuries, guarded by a legend that still haunts the temple today. 5 of the 6 vaults were opened, revealing artifacts that revealed the temple's incredible past. However, it was Vault B that caught the world's attention. A vault sealed shut, locked away by what many believe to be a curse. Attempts to open this vault have led to chilling tales, making it an object of intrigue and fear. The curse of Vault B. The legend surrounding Vault B is one of ominous warnings and dire consequences. According to local lore, it is protected by celestial beings and divine serpents. Many believe that anyone who dares to open this vault without proper rituals faces the wrath of the deity. The fear surrounding Vault B grew when in 2011, just a month after the vaults were opened, the original petitioner, T.P. Sundararajan, lost his life unexpectedly. This sudden demise ignited rumors of a curse, weaving tales of misfortune for those who had crossed the threshold of Vault B. Historically, there have been prior attempts to breach Vault B. In the 1930s, when famine struck the land, temple officials sought to unlock the vault to use the treasures within to aid the people. But as they drew closer, a chorus of hissing cobras emerged, forcing them to retreat in fear. Such chilling encounters have led many to believe that divine protection guards the secrets within. The vault's intriguing structure. Vault B is said to be reinforced with heavy seals and serpent carvings, elements that amplify its mysterious nature. Locals tell tales of intricate rituals that protected the vaults when King Marthandavarma, the 18th century ruler of Travancore, devoted the kingdom to Lord Padmanabha. He believed that the vault stored wealth not just for the temple, but as a divine treasure for future generations. Modern efforts to unlock this vault have been thwarted, with locksmiths and experts failing to reveal its secrets. It remains a testament to the belief that some mysteries are meant to stay hidden. The mysterious sounds and encounters. Visitors and temple staff alike have described eerie phenomena in and around Vault B. Reports of strange sounds emanating from behind the doors, and even inexplicable cold spots, have made for a complex tapestry of supernatural claims. Some believe they can feel a presence, a guardian watching over the temple and its treasures, a notion echoed in the stories of old. Moreover, the temple conducts regular rituals to appease the divine entities believed to inhabit its vaults. Priests offer prayers and sacrifices, reinforcing the idea that the temple is not merely a historical relic, but a living temple where devotion and fear are intertwined. The forgotten vaults beyond Vault B. Recent discoveries have hinted at the existence of Vaults G and H, which have remained locked for centuries. Could these vaults hold even greater treasures? The intrigue deepens as researchers suggest there may be passages leading to the sea and other parts of the temple, hidden corridors where wealth may have been smuggled during times of peril. What lies in the darkened chambers remains a haunting question, a strong pull for treasure hunters and historians alike. Cultural reverence and spiritual value. The allure of Padmanabhaswamy Temple transcends wealth and architecture. It resides in the profound cultural significance it holds for devotees. The temple is one of the 108 Divya Desams, sacred abodes of Lord Vishnu, exuding a vibrant atmosphere filled with faith, devotion, and reverence. The worship performed here, particularly during festivals, encapsulates both joy and fear. Such events see thousands congregate, seeking blessings and sharing their fear of the unsolved mysteries surrounding Vault B. Modern-day inspection and discovery. The temple's management and the royal family of Travancore have faced scrutiny in light of the treasure discoveries, with legal battles igniting around the temple's governance and the legitimacy of the royal family's management over the temple's wealth. The temple's future remains contentious. The Supreme Court's ruling in 2020 reinstated the royal family's control, insisting that the treasures belong to the deity and thus remain untouched. This outcome spurred passionate discussions on the importance of transparency, especially with treasure that could help impoverished populations. Visitor experiences, a blend of mystery and fear. Padmanabhaswamy Temple receives a sizable number of visitors, often curious about the legends and the vaults. Yet only Hindus can enter the temple's inner sanctum, setting a stage for a tantalizing blend of excitement and apprehension among those hoping to glimpse the treasures protected by centuries of tradition. Many visitors report feeling the weight of history as they step onto temple grounds. The echoes of the past feel alive in the sacred air. They recount stories of transformative experiences and shudders of fear, adding to the temple's mystique. Conclusion: mysteries that endure. As we conclude our journey through the mystery of Padmanabhaswamy Temple, we understand that it has become a symbol of both faith and fear. Vault B remains a mystery, locked and unyielding, serving as a reminder that some treasures, be they material or spiritual, are meant to remain hidden, protected by the divine, waiting patiently for the right moment to reveal themselves. The tales of serpents guarding treasures, ancient curses, and divine intervention continue to fascinate cultures across the globe. In the words of many who have visited, Sri Padmanabhaswamy Temple teaches us that reverence comes not just with worship, but with understanding and respecting the timeless secrets that lie within. If you enjoyed this journey into the depths of mystery surrounding Padmanabhaswamy Temple, don't forget to subscribe to Infogatha for more captivating stories that bridge the sacred and the mysterious. Join us as we dive into more unfathomable realms where history intertwines with legend.